Have you ever wondered what underfitting means in data science? Or maybe you've heard the term tossed around in conversations and felt a little lost. Well, fear not, because today we're peeling back the layers of this intriguing concept and breaking it down into bite-sized pieces for easy understanding. Imagine you're trying to teach a toddler to recognize a dog. You show them a picture of a golden retriever and say, "This is a dog." Now, if the toddler sees a poodle and can't recognize it as a dog, that's underfitting. In this scenario, the toddler's understanding is so simplified, it fails to recognize other valid examples. And that, in essence, is underfitting in data science. It's when a machine learning model is too simple. So simple that it misses the underlying trends in the data and results in inaccurate predictions. This happens when the model or the algorithm doesn't learn enough from the training data provided. It's like trying to understand the plot of a novel by only reading the first and last page. You're bound to miss out on crucial details, right? So, when the model is too simple, it can't capture the complexity of the data and thus it underfits. Now, you might wonder, why is underfitting a problem? Well, imagine you're using this underfit model to make important decisions, like predicting stock market trends or diagnosing medical conditions. An underfit model will provide inaccurate results, which could lead to poor decisions and potentially serious consequences. So, how can you avoid underfitting? One way is to make your model more complex. This could mean adding more features to your model or using a more sophisticated algorithm. But be careful not to swing too far the other way and end up with an overfit model. That's when your model is so complex, it starts seeing patterns that aren't really there. In conclusion, underfitting is when your model is too simple and fails to capture the underlying trends in your data, leading to inaccurate predictions. It's a common problem in machine learning, but with careful model selection and validation, you can avoid it. Remember the toddler and the dog pictures? With more examples and a bit of patience, the toddler will eventually learn to recognize all dogs, not just golden retrievers. Similarly, with the right amount of complexity and training, your model can learn to accurately predict trends and patterns in your data. In the world of data science, striking the right balance is key, and understanding underfitting is a significant step in that direction.